Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a simple password system with VBS scripting. And so if you don't know what VBS scripting is, this programming language that means what in VBS scripting means like virtual basic scripting. That I think that was the name. I'm probably wrong, and yeah. So once you did that, once you once you got your computer getting up, and open Notepad or Notepad++. But right now I'm using Notepad++. I do become using Notepad++. Download link will be in the description. So once you open Notepad or Notepad++ or whatever you're using, you click File, click Save As. Then you want to save it to the desktop file. Then you want to click the normal text file below the file name and click all types. Then once you do that, you want to name it. So I'm going to name it password. So once you name it, do .vbs. After you name it, you always do that or it won't format it. So click save, and since I'm saving the desktop, it should pop up right here. Yep, right there. But if I click it, it'll do nothing because I didn't script it or code it. So I want to go to here. So then go back to your text editor and type in the code. So the first thing you want to type is dim. This will create a variable. So then do space, then type the variable name. I'm going to name the variable name input. It could be anything, but I'm just going to name it input. Once you do that, type do while. Also, this will make it do this thing I'm telling it to do while. So while, then I'm going to type the variable name input, then space. You want to type these two things. This means does not equal. So then you want to do two speech marks. Between the speech marks, type what the password is going to. I'm just going to have the password is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Once you do that, go down and type input. That's the variable name. And when I type the input, type what the variable name, what you put the variable name as. So once you do that, type input equals input box. Once you do that, then type this. Then and type this. Just copy what I just typed. There. Then once you type that why am I saying variable as input box? Because whatever you type in the input box, it will put all that information into that variable. Also, like if I type 1 2 3 4 5 6 X in the input box, it'll put that in input, and the do while input equals 1 2 3 4 5 6. It will do not, so it will stop the script. This function. Then what you want to do is do loop. So once you type loop, click save. Then if you click the VBS script, this will pop up, and it'll keep looping until you type the right password. So if I type 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will end the scene. But I want it to say like if the input was not accepted, or input was accepted. So that's a simple thing. There's two ways to do that. So first, I want to make it for, if I get it right, it'll say input was accepted. So I want to go after the loop, go down one and type VBscript. The W is capitalized. then dot echo, no spaces. It's between the VBscript and dot and echo. Then you want to go space and two speech marks. Between those speech marks, I'm going to type input was accepted. So that will make it say input was accepted when this loop ends. So if I type password, it will keep looping non-stop. So, and if I type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, input was accepted, but I also wanted to say input was not accepted when I get it wrong. So what I want to do after the before the loop do a little before the loop, type if input these things again does not, which is these, input two speech marks, then type the password, which was right there. They need to be the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then once you do that, type then on the same line. Then once you type then, type VBscript dot echo, then speech marks, between speech marks, type input was not accepted. Then if I click save and click the password, so if I type anything wrong, it'll say input was not accepted. And if I type the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, input was accepted. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.